So with this one, I think there are a lot of steps involved, and each steps by themselves are simple. It's from coordinate geometry, and 3D and 3D. So we have to start with, we have been given with a point P is 1 comma 3 comma 2, and the line is 2 comma 4 comma 6 plus t times 1 comma 2 comma 1. We converted the line into vector form because we need to find the line which is passing from P and parallel to the given line. So that simply becomes 1 comma 3 comma 2 plus t into 1 comma 2 comma 1. This is the line. We want to find its point of intersection with the plane L1, which is the point Q. So let's put the parametric form and substitute this in the plane's equation. So we get x, which is 1 plus t, minus y, which is 3 plus 2t, plus 3z, which is 2 plus t, equals to 6. What we did is we found the all the points which are on this line, so in the parametric form, and then we solved it with the equation of plane by using by substituting x, y, and z in terms of t. So that gives us 1 minus 3 plus 6, which is 4, plus t minus 2t is minus t plus 3t plus 2t, which gives us t is equals to 1. So now we have the point Q, which is 1 plus t, that is 2, comma 3 plus 2t, 5, comma 2 plus t, 3, 2 comma 5 comma 3. Now we need to find the straight line passing through Q and perpendicular to the plane L1. So we need a vector perpendicular to plane L1. Luckily for us, that vector simply is 1 comma minus 1 comma 3. That is the coordinate the coefficients of x, y, and z give us a vector which is perpendicular to L1. So this is our vector. So t times this plus q. This is the line passing through Q and perpendicular to L1. We have to solve it with L2 to get the point R. Instead of T, let's use S here. So 2 times x becomes 2 plus s, 2 plus s, minus y becomes 5 minus s, plus 3 times, plus z becomes 3 plus 3s. It is equals minus 4. We get 4 minus 5 minus 1 plus 3, 2. 2s plus s, 3s plus 3s, 6s. It gives us s equals to minus 1. Thus, our point R becomes 2 plus s, that is 1, 5 minus s, that is 6, 3 plus 3s, which is 0. Quick check, this point indeed lies on L2. Okay, so the point P we already have is 1 comma 3 comma 2. Quickly moving on the options. A, the length of line segment PQ. So length of line segment PQ is under root 1 minus 2 squared plus 3 minus 5 squared plus 2 minus 3 squared which is under root minus 1 squared is 1 plus minus 2 squared is 4 plus minus 1 squared is 1, 6. So yeah, A option is correct. Coordinates of R is 1 comma 6 comma 3. No, it's 1 comma 6 comma 0. So B is incorrect. Centroid of triangle PQR. Centroid is the mean of all the points. So the centroid would be 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4 by 3. 5 plus 6 plus 3, that is 14 by 3. 3 plus 0 plus 2, that is 5 by 3. So yeah, C option is correct. The perimeter of the triangle PQR is, so we have PQ is root 6. Let's quickly find out QR and PR as well. So PR is 1 minus 1 0 squared plus 3 minus 6 minus 3 squared 9. 0 minus 2 is 4. The squared is 4, that is root 13. So we must have a term of root 13 which is not in D. So answer is AC.